Hello, this is a quick video explaining the different application systems for colleges and trade schools in Quebec. So, across Quebec we have a few application systems that exist. The SRAM in the Montreal area, SRAZL in the Saguenay-Lac-Saint-Jean area, and the SRAC in the Eastern Quebec. I'll go through each in detail and which colleges and CEGEPs they represent. So, the SRAZL, as explained here, is the Service Régional de l'Admission des CEGEPs du Saguenay-Lac-Saint-Jean and represents these 8 colleges here. Students interested in applying to a SRAZL college would go to the SRAZL website and make a single application for one of these CEGEPs and one of their programs. Next is the SRAC, or the Service Régional d'Admission au Collégial de Québec. So this is the Eastern Quebec region, where you have the Gaspésie region, the Bas-Saint-Laurent, and Quebec City regions. So all of these CEGEPs on this page are represented on a single system through which students can apply and again make a single choice of program and a single choice of CEGEP. Next and most popular, we have the SRAM, which is the Service Régional d'Admission du Montréal Métropolitain, which comprises both Anglophone and Francophone colleges in the Montreal area, as indicated by the name. So we have John Abbott here, Vanier, Champlain, Lennoxville, and Heritage College in the Outaouais region as Anglophone institutions. And then on the right-hand side, we have these institutions plus all the Francophone ones, 4 of which I've highlighted here because they are the most popular amongst our RHS students. Next is the SRAF, the Service Régional d'Admission en Formation Professionnelle, which actually takes in all of the applications for any trade school program in Quebec. So finally, we have our independent application systems. Now, what differentiates these from the other systems is that they are really hosted on each college's website, and it's their own application system. They don't subscribe to it along with other institutions on the same system. So one would go to Champlain St. Lambert's website to apply to Champlain St. Lambert, Marianopolis for Marianopolis, etc. The institutions that you see on the top here, Champlain, Marianopolis, and Dawson, tend to enforce the March 1st deadline for applications as the SRAM, the SRAC, and the SRAZL do, whereas the institutions on the bottom tend to sort of have their own admissions process ongoing throughout the year. So, to answer a frequently asked question, one can make multiple applications for sure. So, an example of that would be making an application to, say, social science at Dawson, Marianopolis, Champlain, Vanier, one in the Quebec City region, and one up north. So, theoretically, one can make up to 5 or 6 applications, even more if you're considering private colleges, but the average student makes about 2 or 3 separate applications, and that's the recommendation. So this concludes the explanation of the application systems. Further videos will further illustrate the detailed process of making an application.